Hi guys, here is François Parlant, and today we are going to talk about the tables in Excel. So this question is from Stephanie that I had on Twitter, and she's asking me, I've learned Excel in the 90s, I used pretty awful, terrible looking tables, and now I've got some people sending me nice stuff, and I don't know how do they do to have the names of my columns in the column bar. So today I'm going to explain you everything, just follow me. So first thing about layouts, it's making us comfortable. Get rid of those grids. It's like being inside a cage. So let's go into view and uncheck grid. Okay, now making this a table. Click into one of the cells. Don't select everything, because if you have a long table, it's gonna take ages. Just click in one of the cells. Go into home. There you have three buttons. The middle one is the one we want. Here you've got many themes if you want to, many colors. Choose the color you like most. Well, I know they're not pretty, but choose one. Then Excel makes for you the selection around your table, so that's done. You don't have to worry about it. The second thing is that Excel asks you if there is a title line, a header. Here, Excel has already checked the box because he has noticed that the first line is text and somewhere the second line is number, so it says, okay, there might be a title, but you have to check that. Okay, now you have your table. First thing you notice is that you have the stripes so that it's easy when you have a very long table to make sure you stay on the right row. So that's a good thing. Second thing, look, when you go up, oh, that's it. You don't have to do anything. You've got the names of the column that stay in the column bar, so you don't have to change anything. Great. Second thing, when you are inside the table, when you click inside, you have table tools and a design tab. Look, when you're outside, you don't have it. When you're inside, you have it. And that's where most of the features we're going to use today are. So you have to be careful. If you don't have the tab, just click inside the table. Now, about the colors. Here in the design tab, you have more colors. And look, just by hovering on the colors, you can see if it's going to look great or not. Well, actually, you understand why I chose blue, because it's not really perfect. Then you can have more things. You've got some lighter stuff, some medium stuff. What you can do is to make your custom outlook of the table. Look, if you right click on one of the color, you can duplicate it, and once you duplicate it, you give it a name, you can change the font style, the filling style, the border style for each part of the table, first line, first row, whole table, header row, etc. So why would you do that? Just because afterward, if you have many tables, you just have to click your custom layout for it to be applied, and reusability is the best way to be efficient. So that's great. Now, I wanted to show you what you can do in the design tab. First, you can get rid of the filter buttons. Sometimes you don't need them. Then, what you can do you want the stripes or not? You can choose it. Then, you can make some special output for the first column if you want to. So look, here it's the filling that gets blue because I am in the medium ones. If I am on some lighter ones, it just gets bold. Okay, you can choose the one you want. Actually, I don't want any for now. You can do it for the last column too if you wanted, and you can do something about the stripes for the columns. Usually I tell the people those colors are ugly, and what you can do is make your own palette. Look, here we've got blue, orange, gray, yellow, blue. If you go into page layout, you've got colors, and you've got many palettes already done over there. So they're not really great actually, but you can choose another one, and more important, you can create your own. And usually when I've got important clients, I make sure that I have a palette that is exactly like their logo or their graphic chart to be very convincing with them. I hope this help you. Now, the next video will be about the data. It's the most important. Look, what I want you to do is something like this, where you can click and have all the layout and the filtering. Look, you've got all the channel and you've got all your data. So that's a click away, because you've already the first brick to do that. You've got the table, and that's very easy to do. I'm going to give you the links in the comments of this video, and don't forget, send this video to anyone who might find it useful, because the best thing in an office is to have everyone knowing the most of the tool you use every day. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye.